Can I ask one question?
Yeah, go ahead, hurry.
Your Holiness, there are many youths nowadays who are involved in drugs, alcohol, and other addictions. It is also a concerning problem faced by many youths in Ladakh these days. So, is there any spiritual method or any spiritual way to help them overcome such addictions?
근데 슌게 라다 슌게 나로 태사 타망에다 퉁에다 근데 다딘데 드럭딘데 컨주먼주 상에는 망고도 스라싱인데 제상 콘솔을 믹스에 깔럽 카리요네다 추토는 콘솔 카리치아 요레스기도
타망에 타다 고 지다 미기 고 마데지도
No. Drugs, of course, are a very bad habit, drug menace to the society.
가다 미지도 나로야 예다 타다
No. In
저 가다
society,
논주이 뭐지
you have to,
아주
one has to
통제고
realize that taking drugs is not
자사가 예다 태기요
it's not
말에
good. You have to analyze it.
Hi, Jule and Tashi Dilek. I'm Jigme Dolkar. And yes, I read this message yesterday on my Instagram handle itself yesterday. And to be honest, like, I don't have enough words to express how grateful I feel after reading this message from His Holiness himself. Because we all know that His Holiness has countless responsibilities. And the fact that he has spared his precious time to, listen to all the problems and to give proper solutions. Being a Ladakhi, it means a lot to us because he has specifically mentioned that, how we have to be selflessness and how we have to train our own mind because nowadays being a youth, we are all chasing success, and in that journey we are kind of losing our own patience, and we deal with a lot of stress and anxiety. And of course he has also specially focused on drug abuse also. And then the drugs are, of course, they are destroying themselves and their own body, but then it is also destroying the families and their relatives as well. So I personally feel that the advices he has given is not only just advice, but then how we have to reflect upon it. And then I truly and strongly believe that not only me, but then being a Ladakhi and being a youth, or not only the Ladakhi, but also he has sent this message to all over the world. And then I personally feel that this is a great opportunity where we can focus on ourselves and our own mind, and how we can train our mind and how we can cultivate more compassion. His Holiness also mentioned that we don't have to judge the next person what they are suffering through because of the substance abuse. Instead we can work in a compassion and calmer way, that how a person can improve themselves. And he reminds us every time and every single time that every person has the right to change themselves, and there is this one inner clear mind which I hope that we all can become a better version of ourselves as His Holiness wishes to.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanzil Nasket. I'm from Tikse village. Yes, I have seen His Holiness message yesterday. As a Ladakhi student, receiving this message from His Holiness means so much to us. At a time when many young people are dealing with stress problems, education problem, and many other problems, including drug, his advice on wise selfishness, which is so unique, and training our mind comes at the right time. And I'm really grateful for his advice and precious time to us. He spoke to us, like he took special time to deal with our problem personally, even though he's so busy, and thank you so much for that. His message reminds us that true happiness comes from peace of mind and helping others. For Ladakh, this is so important, because if our youth are mentally strong and compassionate, then we can fight against any obstacles and can create a better environment and better future. And that means a lot to us. And yeah, thank you so much, His Holiness, for giving us this precious advice. Yeah.
Kasa tene nga punjok chujgel nga taksa student jigin yale tene recent gata His Holiness say taksa publication mo gata thong tunok announcement bo thong tunok tebi na jin gata de gata audience sal jane yale gata jalka students ko na phul jane student mangpo ara tha sem la kangal halale dugnal rak jakan mangpo dukte nang man pa daksa gata ta pressing issue daksa dangdiri ala daksla drug abuse mangpo itno halale tantan rang daksa ngata gosa chokhoni molte nokki kazugi ultimate ngati chi ngata dungal jiod nang it lies in our mind halal ngati dat pe na yuto no ti ngata sel dubna ngata mise gang po ngata skit po dug nyan chenok zagan ngata khone sungshat ngata lo chik man ngizbar man lujung ngata mol tono halale ta tewe ngata cham sik laglen chung nyan chis duk tewe ngata daksa sunung la thusam sal nyan chenok halale ngata daksa major principles philosophy ngata mang po pura pata yutono ta ngata cham sik ngata laglen na khyong yun duk ngata tiu ngata jik ata ha go shi duk samos ra halale
just let share ani ka sunti di Kazan mixi ki lada ki tanda chizo nanglo la shengi la mix ni mixu ka ne do kape ba shiresha ani tadi nanglo la zo de gunding ki tanda ta kalob lamdo na shizong chiwa ina lada chizo nanglo la tanda mixi ki shengi nanglo la ani sim ki tanda gangi che dingi dine mongbo shiyo yore ani tadi da nyamdo gangi chimbu chik tanda drugstore la duksini drug nanglo la ta chik zuyungi drugs addiction nanglo la ndi gangi shukchibu chedi war da dila mixe dingi la duksine kalolam de pewa shiresha ta ngegi ngaranzo chik ngarangi samsui do jiwa ina ro ta di mixe ki shengi jibu member la chizo na yegyo ki tanda mixe ki gemba digi tungin shego ya shiresha suntin di shizun jiwa ina gundungi di nanglo la desungsha tanda chizo ki bogu digi nganzo chik gangi shijo de sem ki gangi thaya di tanda nganzo chik ta narab ki gemba digi sangchwe la na chik shembing ki sem jiyo dina shi cham nyingji la ya da soba la ya da digi di nganzo mirab gemba nanglo la yore da ine tande ki shengi nanglo la ta di dinzo chik lao ringi roshi di thede ta di shidunga la kundungi da arang ka phe de yore ki digi di sozo nanglo la cham nyingji la da ji sangchwe ki danji yora shembing ki sem de digi di kazuji mangmangji dun tu bayina anji 강에 간듯이 체외나 딜레지야 동렌지 두배지 당 아니 믹스에 근데 쉔게도 롱차오당 공부소인 거다 저 디긴지니 아니 랑신이저라 독시니 답지대에게 다 중자시에는 다 낭민낭로라 강에 심보시 소리 오래 아니 개체선 시에는 딜롱다 딘주지 소소소 동렌지 뭐도 인두마라마니 지조낭로 그러나니 답시 심보들이 중대고래
그러나 삼로다의 망타기도 도시기도 삼로다의 망타네 엔드네 그러나 나로 기분 용민도스
균세 예배 삼다 거다.
You should see
균세
whether there's a reason to that overthinking.
계속 살이.
Reason is very
균세
important
매배
cause of that. If you
루루루
just
삼로
think too much and things
투제버디
like that, if there's no reason to it,
자춘주리
it's very narrow-minded.
심지어 삼월로
If you're thinking
두개
of all
문제보다
sentient beings, you have to understand everyone
대화대화를
is seeking happiness,
균세
does not want
니터는
suffering.
삼다
If you
연기
think of those reasons,
로 자천부 차이고
We should not let His Holiness advices only on the paper, and we should all try to live by it. Of course, it is difficult in this modern world where we have different sorts of temporary escape, be it drug abuse, be it social media, or any sort of distractions. But yes, if we take little by little step towards becoming a more compassionate person and a more kinder and honest person, I guess that would be the best gift for His Holiness himself. And I hope to see a much more healthier and happier Ladakh with all my fellow youth. Thank you.
Recently, in our youth, we have seen that many cases are coming out of drug abuse. Cases are coming out, like many people, many youth are using these substances to cultivate their mind or be calm or whatever, but they are not doing it for self-harm. They're doing it because of stress, peer pressure, and lack of awareness, I would say. And I think, please don't do it. I mean, we youth are really strong right now. Like, if youth become educated and compassionate in this field, as the Dalai Lama said that cultivating your mind, having a stronger mind is much important, and it will solve your every problem that you're encountering with. And I would say that drug isn't, or any substance isn't the solution. I think you have to look inside and choose your mind and have a peaceful mind, work on it, and every problem will get fixed.
daksa nangpa sangme sangya shunu khalale daksa His Holiness jukste nokta uzuk religious leaders ji ngata molat na ki ka drug abuse ngata society phanche miruk tuzuk shigna ta mi samlo tangyan kan ji ganing demba nang khola ha gote daksa laglen chunang demon samara khalale ta ting ngata outcome ni changyala yutein manok gongsa chokuri mol na laglen chuna mas kitpo yot kyak ma dewa kyak sagam no khone dang publication na mol tenok peace of mind jo miro le daksa ngata laglen chuin jignang chi ngata problem yot nang ati lat pe not kyak sang khone dang sungsha chal tan khalale tu ngata laklen chu thup na ni ngata maos pala dak suma gagas ki chit nga product cheduk samar kas tene lastly ngata daksa ta chi cho shin chi go shamel ngata luptuk thangma ngata pata duk samar khalale ta cham sing ngata laklen chu ngen nian bo daksa major problem ji duk samar yale cham sing ngata laklen gyala chona cham sing ngata laklen bo long term matlab tu chung je man pa thak ringmui phya samba tang astina ngata laklen chung ni mal demo choche duk ngati samba duk shin galale changwa thuk che
간다 쉔게 지부 멤버라 아니 파마디게 이나라 아니 지조게 다지 고경인디게 이나 든조기 지 가상기 숭딘들라 야오지 아니 engagej인으로 안디 톨로직 섬을 캐칭보식 당고해지 얘네 든디스 통기도라 아니 시믹스에 다지 초과든디 카든디 얘네야 초과든조야 nangbe gi chokba chijung kari ne yang chokba ming jam kiwa mambala ani ji mune grassroot level la mang doji ne ani kangi thedi gi mixe gi shenge dunzula dinde gi tablam tuya jero dinde chitu ba ne ya wo yor song da di kisi chitu ba ne ani kundung gi gongshi shi sung sungdin dil ani nganzu ji laleng ki tubna ya wo re song
last question
Your Holiness, we six are from Riyang society. So हम 6 ड्रग एडिक्ट थे पहले, अभी हम बिल्कुल ठीक हो गए. तो हमें ब्लेसिंग्स दीजिए कि हम दूसरों जो बच्चे ड्रग्स करते हैं उनको मोटिवेट कर सके और दूसरों की मदद कर सके.
कुरान जो मी ठुक दी इंगे मा थाना थामा ngeदा दा नि थुंगे इमदा ग्यामचे ता थेसा 차 요시기도 야고 차 요스 제가 थामा ngeदा 디 थाना 지조 나로 강에 티기 버다 이네 थेसा कुरान जो दी मेबसो इंस 투무 겸주 शुगु도
다 녀다 되게 말고.
you're drug free, right? You're all drug free.
그래야 그래.
Very good. It's same, all of you. So make sure you look up. Look up. Yeah. Look up. Look at His Holiness.
투주시.
nga chunjik zane pala ki nga tsik shkarlang zana tuzuk zana shtotpangan pe chore tsabik lebiale te zane sambang met pasama utsos tuzar jina lepto yale tene nga pangches ko dotpa ko zana ya ko samba yon zana ki nga malap I drugs zarkan binanga te nupstet pinalale ki ban chumian ches galepstet pinche zana nashik cha tama thangma pata no ki yu inang ne bingala ma kaspono zarkan botne me ban chun samin diring tamala diring thore na phala ban chun bahala samin jite thore pat ban chumai na le tene junja khampe myuna pata song ki nga o sena lep tuk zate te khampe myuna cerka yons pasana tene khampe mi samte tene nga samte sana ta malap ban chus pinale ki tenna mala ki nge sam ki khampe mi nags do ki iwan ki khampe mi man pangarang na ngari juk pang nakship thongstano ya ozuk shik samte tene mai micho samte khampe mi na pala tamja chuste tene compare jala sonte tene ban chus pingale ban chus po narzagale te nars thora ban chola tene kachi ze duk ban chong yancheme samdu gale yancheme samin je chön nang saru tene to kitana malab nutul chenme gi no gale ki jikten ga malab chik chön samna chomian je shimani miru gale rana dotpa na ban samna chi chön samna dotpa na to chomian je shimani miru gale tene daksa ban chus testing ne malab daksa khampi mi nyapote close sons to gale ki daksa ngal la ka usha esperata pin daksa marang family po malab te nyemo son to dale ki ngal nga pat nang so so jina juxte duxte pat chiko dukan jut penale te semba tipo lu sarala ti tuga sang met khampi mi nyam po tuste tizuk shikchona te tazu mi na palang te skipo sura gale te tuga shinen zane te ngami tamala mi ne tapik stazo tapik so so jendal te mi chasino pa imi jazz nen kanino pa tamala dunna mazen nang jamne thamane zer afzetin chigale Junu nange tena uzerchin ki tugzas pena mane desa maza dale ke khachik yor doyale tugzas daksa nene na yor to nange suggestion ki tarung in nang sambasal ki jak pa jak thore ban samkan romane ma sama te thore sharches ma kaspon gale ki ban chungana mo ki te thore jak ma leba mo nyanna daksa ne phala ma te tugzas nang ne bings te tamala Topon po tugste sperata ste ya camping po tugste te tugzas penang ne kazu shebin chen ya Rieba chawos na rieba chaches te man counseling jogos na doctor ga sonte counseling chuches ma minda tabjet ton gale iwan ki rana dot pegod na banju mi anchishma mi kapte junu na juan ki mai tugzas po nena mazat tene yu nena nen ki ma shante nas ton gale ki iwan ki goma goma skit pe yo do ya ra cerke gena nen ten do ya chin na malap i tugzas po mai J'expecte pas aller qui là quand peu une chaise mi chupches chopa on n'importe tagrin chases quand peu une n'importe tagrin chases tene rang chi product te mai skit pegang manok te sang i tugzas po pang te tugzas ne tagrin son te rang ngindung chaise quand peu mi zao n'impo speras ki porito ya rang visible te mi sena nima mai charnel